So what we have here is a bottle palm. You know what a bottle palm is? That's hyophorbic. This isn't actually a bottle palm. This is a palm in a bottle, but there is such thing as a bottle palm, and they're tropical. It's a pinnate species. You know the ones. You know, we see them in the EL Valley. They're kind of like bottle at the base.
Oh, yeah, they're beautiful.
This is a palm in a bottle. So what I've done here, there was an indentation, like a bit of a hole in the ground here, because we had a tree, or many trees dropped over the last few years. And you know, when the trees fall from up above, they tuck pieces off. It put a big hole in the ground here.
Oh, nice.
So Wendy says, why don't you plant something there? So I filled this up with some great soil and manure.
Beautiful.
And this is one of my seed-grown Sabal minor. This is I believe it's from Arkansas. I believe this is a Razorback Sabal minor. So I'm going to give it some palm food. This is a slow-release palm food. It's early. It is early March right now. We're into the first, just past the first week of March, and it is an absolutely beautiful day. Good time to fertilize palms is spring and summer, late winter here. It's all good. So this will last probably about maybe 8 to 10 weeks, something like that. And when it rains, the nutrients are going to leach down into there.
So how much did you put on there? Like a couple of tablespoons?
I usually
or a half cup
put it
or
around
something?
evenly.
Yeah.
A couple tablespoons, maybe, something like that.
It looks like
they're like little beads.
Yeah.
But you see the sun down here?
Oh,
Sabal minor is a dwarf palmetto, and they love heat. And that's the reason I got this bottle over it here. This is like a 5-gallon water
jug. It's like a little greenhouse.
And it acts like a little greenhouse. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this back over top of it, and it'll generate some heat.
Well, and probably protect too from the deer nibbling.
Yeah, there is deer down here. I mean, there's a lot of Trachycarpus palms that grow down here, but you know, I can see where the deer have eaten the native Mahonia. They've eaten the leaves off of that. They'll even eat the Salal too.
So we don't want to risk them munching on that.
So these are a real heat lover. They love moisture and heat. This is a southwest slope here, and it gets really hot on this slope. So keep your eye on this one. Stay tuned for more videos and updates on this Sabal minor growing down in a ravine. This is our actually cool ravine, but when the sun hits this in the spring and summer months and late winter, it really does heat up in here.
Oh yeah, it's just beautiful down here.
This is the second most
palm
on the planet, right there. Sabal minor or dwarf.
This is our ravine.
Palmetto. All right.
And people have seen videos on our ravine. Like,
you've seen lots of videos on it.
Look them up, but yeah, it's quite nice.
Anyway, stay tuned for more updates on the Sabal minor growing down in the ravine on the slope. Thanks for watching.